In yesterday's lecture, we had seen a very, very beautiful story of a brother and sister, Smita and Anant, if you know. The name of the chapter was The Concert, and we discussed how this family of four, due to unavoidable circumstances and due to such medical, uh, discomfort, they had to come down to Bombay actually. It was this story set in 1950s, and this family of four came to just a second. Give me a second. All right. So we will be looking at the account. Furthermore, I don't want to disclose anything. Am I correct? So we had enjoyed and yesterday, and right now we are going to see what happens ahead. Very quickly, I'll share my screen. Give me a second. I hope you are able to see my screen right now. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Just a second. All right. Again, in the story, we were at a point went to the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha. Both of these amazing musical maestros had this concert at Shanmukhanand Auditorium, and due to ill health of her brother Anant, Anant couldn't go and watch the performance. Sadly, he couldn't go and watch the performance. Just a second. Fine. Yeah. So, but then something struck Smita, and she had this idea. She had a plan in her head, and she wanted to do something. She had some plan in her head. And as I had asked you in the last lecture, there were some students who couldn't wait to know the story ahead. You could see it, you could read it obviously, and others let us see today. All right. Now, now was the time Smita wriggled her way through the crowds towards the stage. Okay. Now, what you mean by wriggled? Very quickly is wriggled. All right. Moved very quickly is wriggled her way through the crowds. वो बहुत सारे लोग अभी थे. Concert खत्म हो गया था. They were moving towards. My God. Okay, my voice is lagging. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Now it's fine. Is it fine right now? Okay, okay, that's great. I'm so sorry for the disturbance now. Oh, that's great. My voice was not lagging. ठीक है, चलो. Acha, so most of the students are telling me that it was not lagging at all. It was perfect. Thank you so much. And now, okay, जिसका भी मतलब lag हो रहा था तो आपकी side से कोई problem होगा, kindly check it. All right. Okay, moving on. Yeah, so the concert had ended and everybody was, moving towards the exit. At this time, Smita had some plan in her head, and therefore she moved very quickly through the crowd towards the stage. वो किधर गई? She went towards the stage. Then she went up the stairs to the wings, her heart beating loudly. When she went towards the stage, she went up the steps that led to the wings. अब ये wings मतलब क्या? You know. Just a second. Which chapter? Aryan from JB Nagar, my dear. We are continuing what we had, learnt in the last lecture. And you need to be on time so you know what is going on. Okay, tell me, is the background noise really disturbing you? Because that is something which is very unavoidable. I can just no, it's not. That's great. I'll make sure it's not much. Okay, I'll try to keep it low. Thank you. Yeah, we are learning concert and there's concert live for you. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we would not waste much of our time. Moving very quickly. तो ये स्टेज पे गई और वो स्टेप्स जो होते हैं जिससे विंग्स में जाता है. ओके, विंग्स आर द बैकग्राउंड स्टेज, बैक स्टेज जो होता है. तो इधर she went up to the steps that led to the wings. Her heart was beating very loudly. In the wings, a small crowd had gathered to talk about the evening concert. शाम का जो कॉन्सर्ट हुआ इसके बारे में थोड़े लोग थे जो बात कर रहे थे. And there were helpers. Obviously, these two maestros were there. So, to talk about the evening concert, to help carry bouquets and teacups and instruments. तो ये जो सारे instruments जो basically जो backup है, right? Okay, just a second. Morvika from Chembur, it's okay if you do not hear the background music, my dear. I'm so sorry. All right. Okay. तो ये बुकेज और टी कप्स वो लेने के लिए थोड़े लोग थे जो हेल्प कर रहे थे वो लेके जाने के लिए. He was there standing with a man who played the table for him, the great wizard of music, Ustad Allah Rakha. So he was there. Who was there? Pandit Ravi Shankar was there, standing with a man who played the table. Now there is a typo here. It is not a table, it is tabla for him. Right? So there was there was Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar. As we had discussed the last time, he was a very, very, very famous, amazing sitar player. And Ustad Allah Rakha used to play tabla for him. Okay. So both of them were there itself. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry, but she went up and standing before them, her hands folded, oh sir, she burst out. Okay. And because she was doing something for the very, very first time, and she did not know what was up. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry. Correct? She did not know what to do. Her knees were feeling weak, her tongue very dry. Okay. तो उसको मालूम नहीं है, बहुत कुछ नया चीज she is doing for the very first time. But she went up, she gathered courage and she went up and standing before both of these very important people, her hands folded. She knew that she was a subordinate here. Oh sir, she burst out. Yes, he asked questioningly but kindly. Now this person, he was a great music player. बहुत ही मतलब आप ये समझ लो कि एक celebrity के सामने आप जा रहे हो and you want a favor from that celebrity. Now who will do something? Okay, so he's asking questioningly but very kindly, very politely, and her story came pouring out, the story of her brother who lay sick at home and of how he longed to hear him and the ustad play. करेक्ट. वो फटाफट उसके मुंह में से सब निकल गया कि हाउ द स्टोरी ऑफ हर ब्रदर हु ले सिक एट होम. वो घर पे बीमार था एंड वो उसकी बहुत इच्छा थी. He was actually waiting. He longed to hear him again. I repeat here, it is Pandit Ravi Shankar. All right, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad play. So he was very eager for both of them to play, but it was not possible as he couldn't come here due to his illness. So she asks for a favor. Will you come to Aunt Sushila's house and play for him? She asked at the end breathlessly. After telling the entire story in one breath, She, gasped for breath and she asked the favor, can you come to Aunt Sushila's house and play for him? So this was the thought, this was the plan that had been going in his head throughout the, previous day. And finally, she is able to gather up the courage and ask these people, please, she said, please, she begged, please come. उन्होंने क्या, please come. It is very important. It is my little brother who wants this. So can you please do me a favor? All right. Little girl, said the mustachioed man who had made the long speech. Pandit ji is a busy man. Now this mustachioed man, mustachioed मतलब मूछ वाले जो आदमी थे. Usually हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो क्या बोलते हैं, होस्ट थे इवनिंग के, इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वोट ऑफ थैंक्स देते हैं. तो ये जो होस्ट थे, एंकर सॉर्ट ऑफ थे, वो बोलते हैं कि पंडित जी इज वेरी बिजी मैन, यू मस्ट नॉट बॉदर हिम विद सच रिक्वेस्ट. You cannot ask him, he is a celebrity or she is a celebrity. They'll not come to your place just because you ask him to. It's not that simple. He is very, very busy. But Pandit Ravi Shankar smiled and motioned him to be quiet. Okay, ये जो host थे, जो उनके behalf पे बोल रहे थे, उनको 2 मिनट रुक, just be quiet. He turned to Ustad Sahib. Pandit Ravi Shankar turned to Ustad Sahib and said, what shall we do, Ustad Sahib? आपको क्या लगता है, हमें क्या चाहिए? What do you want to do? Do you think we can go to this place and we can play for them? The Ustad moved the wad of pan from one cheek to another. Okay, तो ये जो पान खाते थे पहले के जमाने में, तो ये पान एक चीक से दूसरे चीक उन्होंने मूव किया. Tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. Yes, he said. तो उन्होंने बोला कल सुबह करें परफॉर्म ये लड़के के लिए, करेक्ट ना? यस पंडित जी रिप्लाई, इट इज सेटल्ड देन, हो गया, एकदम फिक्स, नक्की हो गया इनका. It was a very excited Smita who came home late that night. Anant was awake, breathing the oxygen from the cylinder. So just in and the condition of Anant here, he was really, because even at night he was awake, he couldn't sleep, and he was breathing the oxygen from the cylinder that was placed under this bed. But Smita was very, very, very excited. She was, at her part, and she was really very, very happy. Okay. Breathing oxygen from the cylinder. बहुत तेज बोला, क्या क्या तूने सुना, उनको सुना? जो पंडित साहिब थे और उस साहिब थे, उन दोनों को you heard them life is a dream come true to me. Okay, she replied, and I spoke to him, and he from morning. Just a second. Okay, I hear you guys. My voice is lagging. Give me a second. I get you guys. My voice is lagging. Okay. 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 Let's begin. I feel now it is clear. Okay, I'll repeat the last 3 lines that we had discussed. Correct? Basically, it's very easy. You can read it. You can understand it. Correct? I hope there is no lag right now. Okay. Also, my dear, I'm taking this lecture on a really short notice. I was just informed 5 minutes ago. Okay. So I don't have a good internet. I couldn't, arrange all of that. I'm really, really sorry for that. But I hope you understand, and I hope you cooperate with me today for the day. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience that is caused to you. Okay, but I'm really sorry. I was informed like literally 5 minutes prior to the lecture. So I'm so sorry. All right, we'll continue. my internet connection may be, bad or something, but let me try to complete chapter. Okay. Okay. So हम लोग ने last में देखा कि it was a very excited Smita who came home late that night. So Smita came home. Anant was awake. Okay, Anant was awake, breathing oxygen from the cylinder. Now we understand that Anant, even though he was awake, okay, late at night because he couldn't sleep due to his illness, breathing the oxygen from the cylinder. Here, the line shows that he was not well at all. He was not well at all, and he had to be given oxygen from the cylinder. Correct? And very excitedly, he whispers because he is not able to speak loudly.
Okay, ma'am, listen. See,
okay.
You played the.
Did you hear them? He whispered. Okay. तो वो बहुत excitedly पूछ क्या उनको रियली सुना? किसको? पंडित जी को और उस्ताद साहब को. ये तूने actually live उनको सुना. Just imagine it is favorite singer, favorite musician who's performing. Right? And that person, somebody gets the chance to actually go to that concert and you are not able to go do that. Correct? Now, did you hear him? I did, she replied, and I spoke to him and he'll come tomorrow morning. Just a second. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I did, and I spoke to him, and he will come tomorrow morning with the tabla ustad, and they will play for you. Okay. Yeah. So I spoke to him. तो मैंने उनसे बात की है. मैंने पंडित जी और उस्ताद साहिब के साथ बात की है, और दोनों तेरे लिए कल घर पे आने वाले हैं to play. And the following morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors. I'm not saying anything. Don't worry. Okay. So next morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors. Okay. ये सारे जो ये चौल या apartment पे रहते थे, उन्होंने saw two men get out of a taxi which pulled up outside their block. Block is the area that they were living in. They could not believe their eyes. Is it? It's not possible, they said. Possible ही नहीं है. अरिजीत सिंह या इतना कोई बड़ा स्टार आपके घर पे आपके लिए प्ले करने आती हो, that is next to impossible. So is it really this person? My God, that person is coming to this person's place to play something. So it was very, very, very unusual and rare for something like that to happen. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha went up the wooden staircase, a very humble setting here we see, and knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. Aunt Sushila के apartment पर बहुत slowly knock किया. They went in, sat down on the divan by the window. Now, what do you mean by divan? A bed consisting of a base and mattress but no headboard. तो हमारे में तो वो सेटी बोलते थे. Okay, basically there is this 4 जो normal bed होता है, but it does not have a headboard, correct? And that is what was the normal furniture during the 1900, correct? It's not L-shaped. चारपाई जिसको बोलते हैं, cot sort of thing, yes, correct? हाँ, तो उसको वो बोलते हैं. पहले के जमाने में सोफा, काउच ये सब नहीं हुआ करता था, तो तभी दीवान is basically basically it is a bed sort of thing without a headboard. Okay, तो ये window के पास था, and both of them started playing for the boy, surrounding him with great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him gently, very gently. correct? So yes, somebody knew what was going to happen, and somebody, yes, my dear, yes. So life went out of him slowly, very gently. He passed away very sadly. It's terrible thing to happen, but just imagine he was surrounded by everybody he loved with great and beautiful happiness of music. Yes, my dear, during the concert this happened. It is a true story. Yes, very disheartening, but yet it is great that it was in peace. Yes, he passed away during the concert. Yes, a happy ending which is equally sad. Yes. So just imagine how lucky he was that Ustad Allah Rakha and Pandit Ravi Shankar were there actually to play for him, to complete his last wish, sort of. And it's amazing. He was a teenager that time he died. Yes, he was. He was only 15 years of age. Somewhat your age. Yes, it's a true, real story. It is a nightmare for most people for something like this to happen. Okay, भाई दीवान मतलब वो दीवान, ये जो चारपाई थी उनके मतलब उनके आजू बाजू ये बैठे and they were the real names are not given to protect the identity of the people. All right, so we understand that a very very beautiful chapter with a very sad ending, but then you know we understand the magnanimity, the humbleness, the modesty, okay, modesty of Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, both of them, the most accomplished musicians we have ever seen. Correct? Of their times and of their age, they were the most accomplished, a very, very beautiful, what do we say? Beautiful musicians. But they were so humble, that they actually came for this boy. They came all the way, they took a lot of pains, and they you know made a way out and came. Okay, very clear with this. Fine, so we end the chapter here. No, the lecture is not over. Okay, very quickly अभी हम लोग करेंगे a very nice grammar topic. Okay, okay, now I feel, because it is direct and indirect speech, a very simple grammar topic that we have already done, then I feel the piece wala background voice will not disturb you. Where it's only a simple piano which is playing. Correct, तो नहीं mostly आपको आएगा, reading में आता है maybe, but अभी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, fine, moving on. So please open your notebooks. We are going to see direct and indirect speech. Okay, चलो जल्दी से. Okay, fine. Direct and indirect speech. Let us see. Read the following sentences. Okay, before beginning, okay, please tell me, guys, what do you mean by direct speech and what do you mean by indirect speech? Very quickly, please tell me. Okay, what do you mean by reported speech? Direct speech is reported speech. Okay, direct words as quoted as it is. Okay, fine. Direct speech, actual words spoken by the speaker, saying third person what the second person said. Okay, direct speech is a dialogue. Direct speech has double inverted commas. It is reported. Direct speech is where first person says. Okay, let us imagine. Okay, okay. Okay, come on. Now, direct speech means, someone's mic is on. Just a second. Okay, so direct speech are the words which are directly quoted of a speaker. For example, I say, Gandhi ji said, Gandhi ji ne bola tha. After that, whatever he said, I put it in inverted commas, is direct speech. Exactly what he said, मैंने अगर उसको inverted comma में डाला. Okay, so let us see the example. So Nitin said, I am happy now. Here the words of Nitin, the speaker, are quoted directly with inverted commas. तो जब भी inverted commas है, okay, so Nitin said, I am happy now. So I have not changed the words of Nitin, and whatever Nitin said, okay, whatever Nitin said is here as it is without any changes. Okay, fine. Now let us see. Does any one of you want to change it into indirect speech? Okay, Nitin said that he was happy then. Okay, Nitin said that he is happy now. Okay. Nitin said that he is happy now. Okay, there are two answers to this. The major answers that I get is one, Nitin said I am happy now as it is without the inverted commas. Correct. And दूसरा है Nitin said he was happy then. Correct. Okay, so this is indirect speech. Let us look at the example. I want you to copy the example. Just write down the first line. Okay, let us see. Nitin said that he was happy then. Here the words of Nitin, the speaker, are quoted directly without the, it will be indirectly without the inverted commas. Now, for example, if I say, Nitin said that he was happy then. Correct? Achha, just a second. I know it's disturbing. Give me a moment. Just a second.
Just get done with this much and आगे no बचेगा तो
Yes, somebody is learning piano and I can't help it very. Yes, someone is speaking in Gujarati. हाँ बेटा वो old MacDonald had a farm. हाँ मुझे मालूम है. So sorry, but let us continue. Okay. Nitin said that he was happy then. ठीक है? Fine. Let us move ahead. This is called indirect speech. Please copy both of these sentences one below the other. Please copy both of these sentences very quickly. You can message me later, guys. Okay, done? Okay. Moving on. Let us learn the method of changing from direct to indirect speech. So now there are 5 very, very important rules that we need to do. Okay. And there are some important terms that we need to know. So the verb which is before the inverted comma is called reporting verb. For example, now give me the example in the first sentence. ये जो inverted comma के exactly पहले वाला जो verb होता है, for example Nitin said comma and then in inverted comma, तो inverted comma के exactly पहले वाला जो word होता है वो said है, so therefore this said becomes your reported verb. So just in your first sentence that you have written, please circle this word said, please circle this verb said and then write down reported verb. Very clear with this? All right. Okay. So here said is the reported verb. Now, the words which is inside the inverted commas are called reported speech. So here in front of you it is very clearly given. Inside the inverted commas ये जो word है I am happy now, ये जो words है उसको बोलते हैं reported speech. Whatever is inside those inverted commas, it is reported speech. Very clear with this? Just mark it. You don't need to write it again. Just mark said, write down reporting verb. Underline the entire I am happy now in the first sentence. Don't do that in the second sentence. Second sentence indirect speech hai. Okay, so in the first sentence where there is a comma and there are inverted commas too. Okay, very clear with this? All right. Moving on. Observe the changes that take place from direct to indirect in the following example. Okay. Nitin said, I am happy now. So this is the sentence that we are obviously going to be our example and prototype for learning. Iska answer apan ko malum hai. Nitin said that I was happy. He was happy then. Now look at the changes that are made. Correct? First sentence mein Nitin said as this. उसके बाद the comma vanishes and उसके place में there is a word that. Clear with this? Okay. Okay. तो सबसे पहला change that you can see is comma निकल के that आ जाता है. अगर आप और observe करो, yes. So somebody said present to past. So am का was होता है. I का he होता है. Correct? I का ही हुआ. Then there is a word now जिसका then हो गया. So there is Ved from JB Nagar who pointed that out very correctly. Yes, it should be a double inverted comma. Single inverted commas are not fine. Okay. Fine. So what are the changes? Let us see. So 5 changes from direct to indirect. First of all, inverted commas are removed. So punctuation nikal jata hai. In the first sentence, if you can see, there is a comma, there are inverted commas, and in the second sentence, there are no inverted commas. So from direct to indirect, if we go, there should be no inverted commas. Very clear with this? Okay, moving on. The tense of the verb inside the inverted comma, that is the reported speech changes. Now let us see. ये said का said as it is रहा. The reported verb is the same as it is. am का was हो गया. मतलब reported speech के अंदर जो verb होता है उसका tense change होता है. So the second is change of tense of the reported speech. So it is highlighted in front of you. am का was हो गया. You can very quickly start writing it down. Don't wait for me to tell you. Keep writing. There are few words copied down very quickly. Okay. So am का was हो गया. Am becomes was in this sentence. Okay. Next. The pronoun inside the inverted comma changes. The pronoun that you can see inside the inverted comma. So I जो inverted comma के अंदर है वो ही बन जाता है ये sentence में. Correct. So change of pronoun. So these are the 5 changes we need to observe. Okay. So I becomes he. Next. The comma before the reported speech changes to a word that we call connective. Obviously, here you can say that because इधर का जो comma है वो निकल के उधर that बन गया. But that के जगह पे कोई भी जो दूसरा आ सकता है उसको हम नाम क्या देते हैं? Comma goes connective comes. Okay, comma goes connective comes. Comma goes connective comes. Very clear with this? So it is highlighted in yellow color. You can see it on your screen. Comma becomes connective. Okay. Certain words, very, very important. Certain words denoting time and distance will be substituted with another word. तो जो भी words time और distance denote करेंगे, ठीक है, वो now to then, मतलब for example इधर दिया है now changes to then. Okay, other words we'll see later. Yes, somebody of you said yesterday, the day before हो जाता है, the previous day हो जाता है. You're correct, my dear. Okay, so now का then हुआ इधर, for now का then हुआ. Okay, very clear with this. So very quickly copy this down. I'll give you a minute for this. Okay, done, guys. Okay, moving on. Okay, moving on. Today का that day हो गया. Very good, very good. Okay, so basically the 5 that you can see in the first column are the changes that you can make. In the right column we have just given you examples कि exactly punctuation का meaning क्या होता है, change of tense, change of pronoun का meaning क्या होता है with respect to the example that is given to you. Okay, but 5 changes that you should know. Okay, yes, Shivani from Takshila, in indirect speech, direct to indirect speech में said का told करोगे तो चलेगा, that is not an issue. Okay, so Nitin told that he was happy then is a completely correct answer. Okay, so these are the 5 changes that you need to see. Punctuation, tense change होता है, pronoun change होता है, comma का connective बन जाता है, और कभी कभी थोड़े words जो होते हैं जो denote time और distance करते हैं वो change हो जाता है. ठीक है, example of distance we'll see in the examples ahead. Okay, told is totally okay. Moving on, so the 5 things. Okay, now change of tense. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, if the reporting verb is in past tense, for example, okay, Nitin said I am happy now. Please listen to this very attentively. Verb, please get this. If the reporting, okay, also give the heading change of tense in reported speech. Okay, change of tense in reported speech. Give the heading change of tense. Am I clear now? Am I clear now? Okay. Okay, moving on. So give the heading change of tense in reported speech. Change of tense in reported speech आप heading दीजिए, उसके बाद लिखिए if the reporting verb is in past tense. अभी reporting verb समझना बहुत ही important है, जो report कर रहा है, correct? तो said जो है अगर वो past tense में है तो कौन से changes होंगे, तो tense of the reported verb will change. Very clear with this? Now am changes to was, we have already seen this. Okay, this is very clear. Now if the reporting verb is in present tense or the future tense, now look at this very properly. Okay, agar Nitin says I am happy, so the tense of the reported speech does not change because the reporting verb is in present tense. The tense of the reported speech will not change. Please look at this. Obviously he change होगा और he change होगा, इसके लिए is होगा, correct? Nitin says I am happy. Nitin says that he is happy. Very clear with this? Okay, clear with this? So Nitin says I am happy. क्यों am का is हुआ, क्यों am का was नहीं हुआ? Only because ये जो says है वो present tense में है. Very clear with this? Okay. If it is in future tense, let us see. Nitin will say I am happy. इसका आंसर होगा Nitin will say he is happy. Okay, there are 3 things that you need to understand. Atharva from Ghatkopar, my dear, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Look at this. In the 3 examples that is shown to you right now on your screen, उसमें pink में जो words highlighted है, first sentence में the word is said, second and third sentence में it is says and will say. अगर said है तो आपके इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर जो टेंस है उसका टेंस चेंज होगा, दूसरे दो में नहीं होगा. I know nobody can predict, but अभी एग्जाम्पल के लिए ले लो. Now if you say I know teacher will scold me, तो you have predicted a statement and future tense को change कैसे करना वो देख लीजिए पहले. Okay, very clear with this. So Nitin will say comma I am happy. So Nitin will say that he is happy. Again Nitin says, वो बोलता रहता है बहुत सारी बार that I am happy. So Nitin says that he is happy. Very clear with this. Any doubts here? You can take a screenshot if you're not done writing. All right, if you're not done writing, please take a screenshot very quickly. Okay, moving on. Okay, next. If the reporting verb is, reporting verb मतलब क्या? You need to understand. ये said, says, will से है, उसको reporting verb कहते हैं. Refer to the notes that you have written. Correct? So habit, proverb or universal truth. For example, Nitin said children like to play. Now this is a habit, this is a universal truth. For example, Nitin said, comma, my father drinks tea every morning. Okay, let us look at this example. I hope you are paying attention. Nitin said, comma, now inverted comma में reporter speech में ये इसने बोला कि my father drinks tea every morning. Now this is a habit. Because ये habit है तो tense change नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि Nitin said that his father drank tea every morning. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. So it should be reported speech. Okay, if the reporting speech, here there is a mistake. Give me a second. Here, okay, ये वाला जो है ना वो speech नहीं, ये verb नहीं है, it is speech. Clear with this? Okay. So Nitin said that children like to play, as it is लिखेंगे. जैसे मैंने बोला, Nitin said that his father likes drinks tea every morning. तो drinks tea every morning as it is रहेगा, drank नहीं होगा. Okay. Now if it is a proverb, any proverb, honesty is the best policy. तो उसमें भी the reported tense will, the reported speech will not change. Very clear with this. Habitual action, proverb or universal truth में अंदर का tense change नहीं होता. Very clear with this. Okay, so Nitin said honesty is the best policy. It is a proverb. The entire reported speech is a proverb. तो आंसर होगा Nitin said that honesty is the best policy. हम ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकते honesty was the best policy. Clear with this? Okay. Nitin said, comma, sun is round in shape. Now this is a universal truth. Correct? Correct. This is a universal truth. So here Nitin said that sun is round in shape. Sun is round in shape as it is no change of tense here. Very clear with this? Because it is a universal truth. For example, solids melt on heating or solids turn into liquids on heating. Now this is a universal truth. Nobody can change that. A scientific fact. All right. So ये जो universal truth है वो as it is होगा. Okay, are we clear till this? If not, please tell me. कोई doubts है? Yes, 2 plus 2 makes 4, or Earth revolves around the sun. Very clear with this? Please take a screenshot of the same. Please take the screenshot very quickly. Okay. Okay, Chirag from Parlor, I can request, I'll have to speak with Dhruv sir for the same. Okay. हाँ मतलब अरे तुम लोग को मालूम है ना अभी scientific. आगे, moving on. How will the tense change if it has to change? Okay. Harshada, can you please explain me why do you want to leave early? I don't understand. Okay. Please focus on the lecture. If you want to leave, you can do so, but let me take the lecture. Fine. अच्छा, one very important thing. हम लोग ने लास्ट स्लाइड में देखा कि कहाँ पे टेंस चेंज कैसे होता है, ठीक है, कहाँ पे होगा कहाँ पे नहीं होगा. हम लोग ने बहुत सारे ऐसे पार्ट्स देखे जहां पे नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द रिपोर्टेड वर्ब मतलब सेज या विल से होगा तो नहीं होगा. अगर वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच एक हैबिचुअल एक्शन है, एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है या एक प्रोवर्ब है, तो भी टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा. टेंस चेंज कभी होगा जब ये नितिन सेड, सबसे पहले रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब शुड बी इन पास्ट टेंस एंड अंदर का जो भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच शुड नॉट बी द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स. करेक्ट. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दीज things we know that कहाँ पे tense change करना है कहाँ नहीं. Now how will the tense change? Okay, now present changes to corresponding past. Please understand, you can just write down present changes to corresponding past. It means that जैसे simple present changes to simple past, वैसे present continuous changes to, come on give me the answer. Simple present, simple past, present continuous changes to past continuous tense. Very good. Past continuous. Come on. Next. Present perfect changes to. Next question. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Very good. What about present perfect continuous? That directly goes to past perfect continuous. Very clear with that? Okay, very quickly. I'll repeat. Please listen to this. Simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous goes to past perfect continuous. Give me a second. Ganesh, thank you very much. I'm removing you. Thank you for being here. And really, you can just choose not to attend lectures, my dear. ठीक है? Fine, he has already left. Okay, moving on. Let us see this very quickly. Neha said she ate sweets. Very clear with this. Simple present goes to simple past. तो eat का ate हो गया. Neha said, I am eating sweets. So present continuous changes to past continuous. पहले जो सिखा रही हूँ वो सीखो. करेक्ट है ना? अच्छा, am eating का was eating. So she was eating sweets. Correct? Here am eating changes to was eating. Am eating का was eating. Okay, next. Has have eaten का had eaten हो जाएगा. मतलब Neha said I have eaten sweet. Neha said that she had eaten sweets. Very clear with this. So present perfect changes to past perfect. Very clear with this, yes or no? Okay, next. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. So Neha said that she had been eating sweets. Very clear with this. So present perfect continuous से past perfect continuous बनाने के लिए सिर्फ has been या have been eating को had been eating change करना है, has का had करना है. That's it. Has या have होगा उसका had करना है. If it is in present tense, you can very quickly change it into past corresponding past tense. Very clear with this? Okay. पहले इतना देखते हैं, ठीक है? Please take screenshot of the same. Please take screenshot of the same. ठीक है? Okay. Now, last part. Simple present changes to past perfect. Simple present changes to past perfect. For example, Neha said, I ate sweets. Ate is a simple past tense. Changes to past perfect. That Neha said that she had eaten sweets. नेहा ने क्या बोला कि उसने स्वीट्स खाए थे. Clear with this? Okay. Past continuous. Just a second. अच्छा इसमें नहीं दिया. Please, there is one more thing which has been missed here. You can write. Please उसके नीचे दो. अगर past continuous होगा तो उसमें past perfect continuous आ जाएगा. ठीक है. If you can see in the first part, past tense की बात कर रही हूं मैं. ठीक है. In the first it is simple past. We add the word perfect. Correct. If it is past continuous, we again add the word perfect. We want to make it perfect. Correct. So simple past becomes past perfect. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Very clear with this? So just write it down and we can end the lecture here. You can take a screenshot. Yes. So had eaten ka had been. Sorry. No. My dear, you're mistaken here. Shivani, the example here is was eating. Past continuous है ना, तो was eating का had been eating. Okay, very clear with this? Was eating. You can write down the example very quickly. Just to mention, was eating ka had been eating. Very clear with this? All right. So we will end our lecture for here now. I hope you have understood and sorry for the inconvenience that is caused to you today. अगर नहीं समझा, अगर कोई भी doubt होगा, you can ask in the next lecture. That is not an issue. Okay. Just a second.